Hello, today I will show you how to walk through your scenes in Blender using WASD. So let's get started. First, you need to go to the preferences and go to navigation and enable gravity on the walk. Now let's close this again. And yeah, I know the scene isn't that great, but I will use it to show you how it works. Yeah, press F3 and search for walk navigation. And if you click on it, yeah, you can already walk around, but we want to walk around with the camera. So select your camera and go to this camera view. And now, if you want to animate your camera, you can enable auto keyframing. And now press space to play the animation and F3 and press enter or just select walk navigation and move your camera. And now you can move around with WASD or with the arrow keys if you want. And yeah, you can look around. You could also sprint with shift. And what's also interesting, you can teleport to an object with the middle mouse button. And yeah, that's basically it. And if you want to cancel, you can just press the left or right mouse button. And now everything is normal again. And if we now play the animation, you can see that it recorded our movement.
Wow!
Yeah, I use this a lot in my backrooms animations, and it can be really useful if you want to walk around your scenes. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If that's the case, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one.